Hello, I'm Stephen Watson here at Someday Farm with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is quite straightforward. And that is to get a notebook, get a pencil, a pen, keyboard, and write out your plan for improving the likelihood that this art gets passed on as well as or better than it has been passed on to you. So get to work on your Tàijíquán. Pen, paper, mind, persistence. Thank you all very much. Appreciate your support. Appreciate your commitment, your dedication. Appreciate your comments. Thank you.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.